This video is for Paul. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I made this free custom video for you in which I'll be showing you some ways how to beat out the competition and get a lot more new customers every single month to your business. The stuff I'm going to be talking about is going to be related to online, so your website and your presence online. The three things I'll be mentioning will be content, citations, and backlinks. So I really hope you find the information in this video valuable and reach out to me. If not, no harm, no foul. It's a free video. I did my research for you and I will be showing it to you. So let's start. The first thing I want to talk about is the home page of your website. And before I even get there, pretty obvious problem that I saw is this right here. Your website's not secure. Now this has to do with something called the SSL settings. So I don't know where you got it made from or if you hired somebody to do the website, but this is a pretty fast fix and it's free depending on how you do it. So you definitely want to get that fixed so in Google's eyes and also the customer's eyes it looks nice and secure and free to use and secure to use. So with that, I'll start with your home page. The first thing I'll talking about is content. Now that's the words on the page. Google wants to see between 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, which are keyword rich. So the keywords that you want to target should be inside those words. You definitely can use a lot more words here. Like I said, 1,500 to 2,000 words to help you beat out the competition and get that share of the customers coming to your website, ranking your website. Also, how the pictures are saved really matters as well. It's another layer of boost that you could be getting depending on how your pictures are saved as. So for example, let me try this one right here. It'll come up right now. I see you have a lot of pictures here, so you definitely are saving them with something. Yeah, you see right here, it's all a bunch of characters. It's not really doing anything for the website. It's just taking up space. The same picture with actual keywords behind them will actually boost your website's homepage. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. For that, I use this tool right here. It shows me the top competitors and how many citations they're using. So a citation is anywhere on the web where you can put in your business name, address, and phone number. That could be in directories or other websites. So you usually Yelp, Manta, Home Advisor, Angie's List. These are some of the directories which our citation can be at. So in New York, you see some people have 20 citations, 17 citations. You definitely want to have at least 25 or more. At least. The more the merrier, because you don't want to be just ahead of the competition, you want to be way ahead. So that's really going to help you get more visible in front of customers. And the third thing I like to talk about is backlinks. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid monthly subscription. They give me a lot of great information about any website. So this is your website. A backlink is basically any website out there which is pointing to your website and giving traffic to your website, referring your website. So the more pointing at you are basically going to make you more popular in Google and keep ranking you higher and higher. So right now you have 28 backlinks from 8 referring domains. You're ranking for 11 keywords, but you're not getting any traffic at all right now. To compare this to a top competitor, this is what their results look like. So as you can see, they have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 400 keywords, and they're getting about 500 to 600 people coming to their website every single month. Now that's what you want, and you want even more. This is where you're at right now. So all those customers that visit the website are eventually going to turn into leads and customers. Another thing I like to show you is this quick search I did right here. And this could be for any area, New York City, Long Island, anywhere. This is how every search will look like. The first thing customers see are these Google guaranteed ads. Now this is an ad service through Google where a business has to go through the verification process and be listed there. But it's at the top of the page. After that, we go down to the traditional Google ads, which also is a paid service. After that, we go down to the Google Map Pack. Now, regardless of where you are, you definitely want to be in the top 3 spots of the map pack. From here, you're going to get a lot of leads, which are going to turn into customers. After that, we go down to the organic section. This is where you have real legitimacy and real presence online, beating out all the competition. Because the first page of Google gets 95% of the clicks. People don't go on the second and third page, they stay on the first page. You want your website to be on the first page. One more thing I'd like to show you, which I did my research on, is your website right here. It was created about 4 to 5 years ago, and the last time it was updated was in 2019, in April. So that's probably more than 2 years ago. You want to keep checking your website if you did it yourself or if you hired somebody to do it, to keep it updated, add more stuff on there, and keep it relevant. With that, I told you I'll try to keep the video around 5 minutes. I do hope you found the information really valuable and it can help you out. If you do, reach out to me. I'd love to talk to you. We can definitely move your business up and add a lot of new customers every single month. With that, you have a great day. I'll talk to you. Bye.